final product to approve.
Don't put it in there.
We're gonna eat it. Okay.
Not over the bowl. You're spitting everywhere. Ew. Sorry. Take better on the face.
We got Kayla prepping the pans, and we got Simon taking a nap.
All right, so we smeared butter on the pans because we don't want it to stick, and it's going to completely ruin the cake if we don't. So we smeared butter, and now we're pouring it in. Make sure to be even on both pans. Wait, do a little bit at a time in each one. That way, because it's always better to add more in each one than to
Oh, yes, professional Kayla, the cooker over here. Okay. That looks pretty good. So we have 2 pans here. Both of these are 7.5 by 7.5 inches, just if you're curious on the dimensions.
Right, you get to lick the spoon. I lick the bowl.
This is gonna be so good when it's done. Oh my gosh. If it's already this good, Alright, we're good. So once you're done licking all your bowls and your spatulas and whatever, go ahead and put these bad boys in the oven and let them cook for however long they need to cook till
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Now, you don't have to cook yours for 30 minutes. Every recipe is different because it depends on how big the pan is. So like, for example, our pan is about a 7.5, 8-inch pan, so it says cook 29-34. However, if you have a bigger pan or a smaller pan, the times differ. Okay, so while that's cooking, we're gonna make some mini Minecraft cakes. If you don't want to make like a big Minecraft cake, let's say you just want to make mini ones, you can do this with Rice Krispie treats, which is pretty cool. So all you need is a box of cereal for Rice Krispies, some marshmallows, and we're gonna make like mini Rice Krispie Minecraft cakes. Like, yes, Rice Krispies, crispy rice. And you need one more ingredient, and that ingredient is butter. Oh wait, this is the cat. Yeah, there we go. Butter.
So we are using 6 cups of Rice Krispies, 3 tablespoons of butter, and a 10-ounce package of Jet Puffed marshmallows, and that's all you need for these Rice Krispies.
I think the sheep approves. I think you got a bag problem. You also forgot one over here. Oh no, they're melted! It doesn't matter, we're gonna melt them anyway.
Oh, don't do what I just did. You have to put the butter in first. Hey, this ain't Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny, Chubby.
Hey, where are your marshmallows?
So first.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you with your mouth full of marshmallows.
I'm sorry, so first you put in the butter. You see that giant dent in that pan? Kayla grabbed that pan and slammed me in the head with it. That's what it's from. I'm not even kidding. I'm kidding. Like I said, you always gotta test your product before you cook it. I need a bowl of that right now.
I need to
We
go
got the marshmallows and the butter in there. We're about to put the Rice Krispies, which are over there. Oh! What? What? Wait, how did you?
I guess, should I just like leave that in there? Just like melt it in?
No, get that. What? How did you?
It never happened. I lost it! I don't know where it went. Oh, it's in there.
Oh no, this is so bad. Okay, just flick it out. Just flick it out. Jesus, there we go.
All right, so we are melting this all the way until it is a delicious butter marshmallow sauce. No lumps. And then we're gonna add in all the Rice Krispie treats. So Rice Krispies, and then it'll be Rice Krispie treats.
All right, so now we're gonna stir up the Rice Krispie treats. Make sure you get all the marshmallows and stuff from the bottom. And just completely stir this up. This might take a little bit because it's just this bowl or this pan is really cool.
Just stick your hand in there.
Oh, yeah, the genius idea.
So it's not hot or anything.
Oh, yeah, great idea. After everything is pretty well mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and pour it into this pan right here. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I would like a sample. I would like